It's not my finest hour parking.
11.
Are we on?
Yeah, we're on.
Right, okay, let's rock and roll.
Some nice views around here. Look at that. I didn't realise it was that close. I like the other one better. The other way, we could have the fire overlooking the hill. That would be a better thing. Wow. Oh, it's lovely around here. Oh, that van's gone.
That was good timing.
Bloody was. As you can see, I'm out with oldest friend and we're car camping here tonight. What a spot, eh? Hello bushwhackers and wild campers and car campers. Yeah, we're out doing a bit of a car camp tonight in this kind of glorious location. It's a beautiful September day. Look at that. Oh, there's a notable hill over there, probably Sugarloaf Mountain or something along those lines. Oldest friend found this one while he was out trucking. Good spot.
Yeah. Looks gorgeous, doesn't it?
It bloody does. What a view over the valley there. It's a little bit like when we went to Blakey Ridge, which I think is over there somewhere, isn't it? Yeah. Probably on a bit further because there was a little bit of a swing round on this valley on that side. So probably over there somewhere.
Yep.
So we're on the other side. Actually, I can see some cars going over the top there, so I'm guessing that's Blakey Ridge Top, whatever it's called. Blakey Topping, like the kind you put on an ice cream. There's a load going over there as well.
Yeah.
This camera probably won't pick that up. So, let me show you the new decals on the van. So there's these on the back. I've been doing this morning before I came out. So I think if I've got this sequentially right in terms of videos, you'll have seen the fact that I've butchered this van a little bit and made it a bit how I want it. It's full of crap at the moment. I'm not going to show you inside just yet. Did you?
Yeah,
Your trip. Yeah, I just tripped up. And then there's that on the side there. So I've gone for something quite subtle but very clear. I think that works, don't you? Let me know in the comments what you reckon. But I quite like that. So we're going to chill out for a bit and catch up because we haven't seen each other for a while.
Is with you now doing camping in the van, does that mean that we have to call you Indie Vanner?
Indie Vanner. Well, actually, I think I'm going to call this thing Riddick because it's a Van Diesel. Riddick. Say hello to Riddick, everybody. Is it ridiculous or what? Hey, oh, punta. It's not going to get any better than that.
No, it's not. But it doesn't matter, does it?
No. Right, let's get the beer out. Hill. Oh, look at that. I've got the sun behind me. I'm backlit. It's my favourite view. Well, it's your favourite view of me, isn't it? Because it's how I prefer to present myself. Food. I've got the van set up. I'll show you in a minute. I'm just busy. Just had a few nibbles. Just still enjoying this view. What time is it now? You won't be able to see that. It's just about 10 past 6. Look at my nice long shadow now. Absolutely stunning out there. Anyway, I'm going to show you around the van. The oldest friend's going to hold the camera. So I've got it set up. I've got the Berghaus Air mat underneath here. Love that mat. And then the Zephyr back down blanket just in case I need it. This is a really old sleeping bag and I've chucked this in the back with my knitted sleeping bag. I think that'll be really warm. A couple of pillows. That's my pack raft, which is going to kind of live in here, I think. A few bits in the cargo net. Not bad, eh? Let's have a look at the front. Let's show you what I've done with the curtains and so on. Now these curtains, these came out of the Hyundai, and you might remember these because I reviewed them on the channel. There's a Zatutu curtains. They actually fit this better than they did the Hyundai, so I'm really chuffed with that. They're magnetic, they just stick on, so you just put them on when you're ready and take them off when you're done. And I've just put a reflective screen in there just to block a bit of light out, but I am going to put a curtain in the divider at some point. I've got a curtain ordered again by Zatutu because I like their stuff, so I'm going to have a curtain that goes ultimately across here between the seats so that it sits behind the bed, just to save me having to put the front windscreen reflector in. But that's where I'm at the minute. And on the plus side, managed to pick this little bargain up from Tesco's. Look at that. Ooh. Filth.
I don't think you'll light it doing it that quick. Please, slowly. What?
Do you not think? I've got posh lolly sticks.
You know those lolly sticks that I ate loads of?
Especially
so you could do exactly that. You never took them.
I know, because I've got tons of lolly sticks because I've been doing the same things. It's like, what a good excuse for eating lollies.
It is, isn't it? Bizarre, but there we go. Rich monkeys. Oi, Nita.
I think she's licking his balls again.
No. Chewing bloody.
She's chewing bedding.
Bedding.
She's chewing bedding.
That's taking nicely, isn't it?
It is indeed. We're listening for birds. It is looking like it's going to be a very splendid evening. Look at that. Gorgeous.
Ring-necked pheasant.
Well, look at that going now. I mean, that's going to collapse at some point, but look, I've built a fire teepee. Look at that going now.
That was just really caught.
Yeah, it's gone in the middle.
Wow.
It's going to collapse in a bit. I'm going to have to go and grab it with my gloves and chuck it back in. That didn't work out quite so well.
Did you not expect that to happen? Hello.
Round two.
Do you know what looked pretty cool if you had drawn a little face on the front?
Yeah, it looks like an angel at the moment with the wings out the side.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're just having a bit of daft fun.
Yeah.
But in case you're wondering, if you can see underneath the fire pit there, we do have a mat, a silicone mat to protect the ground. Apart from the very occasional passing car, it's very quiet here.
I'm looking forward to the stars coming out.
Yeah.
It'll be pretty much zero.
Excuse me, there is a message for you.
Pretty much zero
Light
light
pollution.
pollution.
Ainsley's going to take some footage for his channel. I'll put a link in the description because he'll probably do a video with some star footage.
What a relaxing evening.
It has been, hasn't it? Very relaxing, yeah.
It's
We've done naff all.
much needed to just chill in the countryside.
I've got a new head torch to try out as well. So I'm looking forward to trying that out.
And a gimbal.
Yeah, I'll show you actually. It's this little thing. It's by Latour, Look at this, right? They sent me it to try out. I've done a separate video on it. Turn it on, look at that, that's bright. It's got a bright setting, medium setting, flashy setting, red setting, red light flashy setting. But the really nice feature about this is you press that button there, right, and then run your finger over it, it turns it on and off, look. So you can put it on your head and just turn it on with a wave. Cool, right? Anyway, enough of that. Let's look at fire. Fire.
Is it? And we're off. 20 past 8. And we've got a roaring fire going.
Camera's not going to pick this up brilliantly, but there's a blood moon coming up. Oldest friend's climbing into his pit.
At least attempting to, which is difficult when you're trying to
It's very
navigate.
difficult, and Nita's not looking impressed.
You're trying to navigate around a dog.
Don't know whether the torch will capture this, but the camera will capture this, but there's a rabbit up ahead. Well, it's been a very chilled out day. Oldest friend has settled down for the night. I think I'm going to join him. No, that didn't sound right, did it? I think I'm going to go and settle down too. Although the moon does look rather awesome tonight. And so does the fire too. I've got some films to watch on my phone, so I'll see you in the morning. Morning. Slept all right. Quite good. Time to stir, get some coffee on or something. What a glorious morning. All his friends just pointed out, look at that mist in the valley there. Let's go and have a look. Yeah, look at that. Gorgeous. Oh, and some additional fog. Nice of you to add to it.
The only thing that was noisy was them bloody dogs.
Yeah.
That's all I could hear was the dogs barking down there. I don't know how people can sleep with that.
Well, probably nobody else around to
I
hear
don't know
it.
if they sleep well.
Talking to noisy dogs, where's she going? Little rascal. She's not noisy really, she's quiet. Teat. Look at that, it's glorious, isn't it? Wow.
I've only just made it.
Oh, that looks like proper sludge.
Doesn't it?
Might need a bit more milk. Oh, it is sludge. Good sludge. Take two. Proper sludge. What are you up to? Hey, what are you up to? Get it, get it, go on, get it here. See you later. Well, that was quite a lovely night actually. I love this area. So stunning. Gonna head off now. Might have a look, see if there's any geocaches that I can do en route. You know what to do about liking and subscribing and all that kind of stuff if you like what I'm doing on this channel. This was just a bit of a test really last night, to see how I got on with the van prior to oldest friend and I's upcoming car camping trip in Wales, because we're doing that again like we did last year, but we're going to cover a different area. So that'll be coming in future videos too.